Gusto about to finish up. The Grind King tattoo on my arm. Putting a little white in my teeth because it worked well on the skull right here. Probably can't see it though. But it's a lot of white in that skull that it comes out. Professional work right here. Yeah. Come get it.
Rest in peace.